So now we are going to see the next logical instruction, that is RLC. For this instruction, the whole instruction is considered as opcode. So opcode is RLC. No operand is present in this instruction. In this instruction, you can see that no data is present. So when in the instruction no data is present, it means that instruction is of only 1 byte. Machine cycle we are going to see, but before that, let's see the meaning of the instruction. RLC, it means rotate the content of accumulator left side without carry. I am repeating, rotate content of accumulator left side without carry. So let's see one example so that you can get the clear idea. The example is RLC itself. Before the execution, you can see that the content of accumulator is 15H. You can see that the content of carry flag is 1. Now the content of accumulator is 15H, it means it is in hexadecimal. If you convert this number into binary, you will get some pattern like this. I have represented the same accumulator bitwise. So the 15H is present in this accumulator too, but the difference is that it is represented in the binary. So it is the same accumulator. So before the execution, this is the content of carry and the accumulator. Now what will happen when the RLC instruction is executed? RLC means rotate the content of accumulator left side by 1 bit. Rotate the content of accumulator left side by 1 bit without carry. So let's perform it. So what will happen when we rotate the content of accumulator by 1 bit? So the value which is present in D0 will be shifted to D1. The value which is present in D1 will be shifted to D2. The value which is present in D2 will be shifted to D3. D3 will be shifted to D4, D5, D6 and D7. Now the value which is present in D7 will be shifted to D0. So the whatever value is present in D7 will be shifted to D0. But there is one more thing that will happen, that is the value of D7 will be shifted to carry 2. So the D7 bit is shifted to D0 as well as carry. So this will happen when this instruction is executed. Now can you tell me what will be the content of accumulator after the execution? So what will be the content of carry flag? You can see that in the carry the value is shifted from D7. So in the carry 0 will be present. In the D0 the D7 is shifted to D0. So what will be the value in D0? So in the D0 0 will be present. In the D1 the value of D0 is shifted to D1. So in the D1 there will be 1. In the D2 the D1 value of D1 will be present at D2. So there will be 0. Then at D4 the value of D3 will be present. So 0, then 1, 0, 0. So if you convert this number into hexadecimal, you will get 2AH. Now let's see the machine cycle. To understand the machine cycle, you have to see all the process that is done by microprocessor. So when you give this instruction, the instruction will be stored in the memory. You know that this instruction is of 1 byte. It means when this instruction is stored in the memory, it will occupy only one memory location. So in one location, this whole instruction will be stored, that is RLC. After all instructions are stored in the memory, the processor will start doing its work, that is fetch, decode and execute. To fetch the instruction, the first machine cycle that microprocessor is going to perform is opcode fetch. When microprocessor will perform the opcode fetch, this whole instruction will be transferred in the microprocessor. Then processor will decode that instruction. When microprocessor decode, after that it will execute. Now if you pay attention, during the execution what is happening? During the execution, the content of accumulator is shifted to the left side by 1 bit and content of carry flag is also affected. If you remember, the carry flag and the accumulator both are part of the microprocessor. It means when the execution is done by the microprocessor, the processor is not storing any data in the memory or processor is not reading data from the memory. During the execution, all the changes are happening within a microprocessor. It means only one machine cycle is needed, that is opcode fetch. And this is it for this instruction.